to another video. So as you can see, I am wigless, honey. Now you might ask,
Anna, what type of wig cap you got on?
So let me tell you, this is a dome cap. I couldn't find any wig caps, so wig hack, we're about to do this, okay? This is a special video because it's featuring my wig line, and y'all already know AnnaLuxuriousWigs, the most popping wigs in the hood. You feel me? The most popping wigs in the hood. I have two new wigs I'm launching on my site. They're human hair blended, and they're both blonde and they're both popping AF, honey. Okay? First one we have here, this is the curly blonde. She's about 24 inches, and honey, she's giving Bomb Blonde Shell Victoria's Secret realness. So the name of this wig is called Victoria. And now look how simple it is to apply this wig. So she do come with two combs on the side. So there is a comb right here, right there, and there's gonna be a comb right here, and there's a comb in the nape area as well. So I'm gonna just put it on, boom, just like that. This is my favorite unit. I use. Disrespectful. If you want baby hairs with the wig, you can have baby hair. I specifically made some baby hairs into the wig, so I'm gonna just slay them baby hairs down for you guys. So this is the finished look. This is how she's looking with the baby hair slayed, with it laid and everything. This is the Victoria unit. She's a human hair blend unit. She's a closure wig. So you can wear this glueless. As I said, you can put the combs in and, you know, wear it just like that. That's how I wear this wig. I don't really glue it down. I just, you know, put it right there. So she is a closure wig. You do get this much of lace in the front. As far as this parting, as far as this straight line in my head, she has a part, girl. She has a part. She goes all the way back to the back in the days, honey. She have 5 inches of parting. Look at all of this parting, guys. Like, you like, come on. Look at this. Look at it. Zoom in. Come on. She has 5 inches of parting, so she has a lot of parting space to her. And because I know the struggle and the #1 turn off for wearing wigs is the parting space is not good, and that just mess up the whole wig. So I love a good amount of parting. It is everything. It makes the wig. It makes everything. Also wear this as a side part. All you will have to do is just rotate the wig to the side. All my wigs are big head friendly, and they're all custom made. So if you have a small head, medium head, large head, I can do it according to your head size. So how my website goes, before you place your order, know your wig cap size, whether you're a small, a medium, or large. And after you place your order, you will get an email right away from me asking, hi, what's your wig cap size? And you'll be like, oh, I'm a small, I'm a medium, or large. And I'll be like, okay, I got you, girl, and your wig will start to be made, okay? So all my wigs, as far as shipping, I know that's your first question, so let me answer it. As far as shipping, right when you order, I email right away saying, what's your wig cap size? Okay, got it. After 24 hours, your wig is shipped, okay? So literally like almost next day shipping. It's also shipping option, so I do have a free shipping option. You can wait 3 to 7 business days for free shipping, and then, you know, regular shipping, priority mail is like 1 to 3 business days, and then if you want overnight shipping, you know, it's more money. I will be having options where you can have a rush order. So a rush order is like you want your wig done before anybody else. Like, this is urgent, girl, I need your help. I will have that option as well. It is the month of December. It's the month of December, so I'm having a Christmas super sale. So what does that mean? Everything is 15% off. Take 50% off your order, and some wigs are already on sale, so you can take additional 15% off of that. Every order comes with a special Christmas gift, honey. Yes, I'm giving back to you guys because I just know, like, you know, the struggle. Like, some people might not have a good Christmas. You know, some people might not even really get gifts for Christmas. You never know nobody's story, and I really just want to give back to you guys, so I will be giving you guys a Christmas gift with your order, and I hope you babies love it. For all my babies that ordered and got your gifts, yes girl. So it's December 27th. It does go on to after Christmas, and I will be having a New Year sale very shortly, guys. And AnnaLuxuriousWigs is about to have an anniversary, 1 year anniversary, December 18th. So I will be having a sale there too. So a special 1-day sale for the anniversary, and I am so excited. It's about to be a year that I had my wig line. Like, oh my god. All my human hair blend wigs are custom made. I look for the highest quality of synthetic and human hair mixed hair because I know the struggle, guys. I've been reviewing a lot of synthetic wigs on YouTube for almost a year now, so I know when it's good hair, when it's bad hair, and I wanted to make my own synthetic and human hair blend wigs because I was like, girl, I need to make a good wig. Like, there's just so much wigs out there that just be scamming people. Would be synthetic, but it feel like Party City wigs. Like, girl, my synthetic / human hair blend wigs, they last up about to 7 months with proper care. They are super easy to wear. Like, you see how fast I put this wig on? All my wigs come styled just like the picture, okay? It will come styled just like this, so you don't have to worry about styling it or do it. If you want extra tweaking, go ahead and do your thing, girl, but all my wigs come styled already. Like, look at this. You cannot tell me that I didn't just wand curl this hair. So the details on this hair we also link down below, and this is like a nice 613 mixed with a nice darker honey blonde color. I'll be wearing this wig. So yeah, Victoria, she is alive. She is giving everything, and the density is light. Density is about 150%. Of course, the more you like finger curl her out, the bigger she gets. As far as hair care instructions, it will be on my website. I will make it a hair care instructions section, because a lot of you guys like, oh, how do I take care of the human hair blends and whatsoever? And I'm like, girl, I got you, okay? Super easy, super easy. And yeah, so this is Victoria, and she's saying hi or whatever, but I don't think y'all ready to see my other wig. Y'all ready to see Ashley?
Y'all ready to see Ashley?
Ashley, now look at this. We got curly, then we got straight, baby. This is just a straight version of Victoria. What the stretch is, guys. My wigs come with a good stretch. This is how Ashley is looking. The Ashley unit, and she is popping. She's giving life. She's giving presents. She's giving everything. And now, as y'all can see, she is super full. It's super sexy. She's super sleek. And she is a nice light yaki hair texture. So let's just run the fingers through it. Look at this. She is shake test approved, baby. I wasn't playing with y'all when I said I'm gonna find the best human blend hair in the world. Girl, this ain't no joke. I can't, you know, we can't have y'all looking out there looking crazy, baby. This is the truth. It has just the right amount of brightness and contrast into it. Like, look at this, honey. And the dark roots. Like, let's get to the roots. So, as you can see, honey, parting space on 100. Parting space is on 100. So, you get about 6 inches of parting space with this wig. You can also make baby hairs with this wig if you take out some hair in the front. I will be also having this wig in red. I do have this wig in black as well. She's called the Miss Yaki unit. I love bringing out new wigs, so I like to give y'all guys new stuff. We'll be making new wigs on my website every week. I will try to do one new wig a week, because I like to cater to everybody. You know, not everybody likes what's on my website. They want to see something different, whether they want this but in different color, or they want this but in longer lengths, you know. So you have to cater to everybody, and that's what I'm trying to do. A lot of you guys have been asking for this wig, and I also had this wig on my website a long time ago, but I took it off because I need to make room for other stuff, and I forgot to add a bag. But she is back. Additional product, I don't advise any additional product. I would just say get some motion smooths. I definitely prefer motion smooths because, honey, it's the best mousse to the market, to be honest. And just, you know, put that on the top of the wig, flatten it down, and you know, that's like the most product you need for this wig. You don't want to add too much product because it will weigh the hair down. Right now I have a medium cap size on, and that's my head size. Make a custom fit for your head, so not all my wigs are just one size, you know. So I do have the option, if you want combs or you want elastic band, you can get that. I will also ask you in the email after I ask what's your wig size. I will also ask you what's your do you want elastic bands, do you want combs in your wig, and there's no extra charge whatsoever. This wig fits pretty snug on me. She can definitely be glueless. She is a closure wig and she is popping, darling. Excited. And this is my packaging. So the packaging, the light is really bright, guys. The exposure is really bright, guys, and I don't want to turn it down because, girl, this lightning is hidden. But this is the packaging you will get. It will come in a little gift, little bow like that for Christmas time. So this is how your wig come packaged, and a special surprise will be inside. Excited for you guys to see. Like, there's not a lot of hair brands that give back to their customers. They just, you know, want them to buy. Like, how about you give back to your customers? And I want to do that, and I love you guys all so much. Thank you for all the support, my YouTube subscribers, everybody. I love you all so much for taking the time out your day to comment on my videos, to like my video. Even if I don't get that much views, at least there's somebody watching my video, you know. Get ready for all the slayage. Black-owned business is about to take over YouTube, okay? So I will be having, you know, the sponsored videos coming there now and then, but honestly, I'm trying to do my own thing. I'm trying to get my brand out there for you guys, and I'm just trying to show you guys some good wigs. Like, I know you guys have trusted me, and I want to make a wig for you guys to buy, okay? These other companies, they have good wigs. It's like, okay. But at least what I know for sure that I'm promoting to you. I'm promoting something for you guys that I'm making that I truly know is good. Check out my wig line, guys, and save some money. Do the Christmas super sale. And I love you dolls all so much. And make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.
Yo, that I didn't watch her last video. You hear me?